Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi girl, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Fantastic.
Uh-huh.
So I know that last time
Yeah.
we were on the call, I asked you to reach into the phone and touch.
Your Jan material, I
Correct,
remember.
100%.
Yeah.
So now what I want to do is I want to do that in reverse. Let me reach into the phone.
Ooh, what are you feeling?
I don't know.
Feels like
June.
feels like marriage material.
Oh, come on!
There we go. I'm glad we could get there
Look
together.
at you. I was ever good.
I mean, this is a teeny. Okay, thanks for calling. Bye.
What's up, everybody?
Hi guys, welcome back to Bling Line.
You know what it is.
Your favorite show as well as Zuko's.
Let's go.
If it's your first time here, we are here to read your comments and talk about them. So if you want your comment to be read, ibhale kaloku chomi. Uyaqonda nawe mos.
100%. And if it's your first time here, we are Sibling Thrivalry. A
Oh,
brother and sister duo that is chatting on a weekly basis. Not weekly, but weekly.
what?
Uh,
Oh.
Oh my God.
Weak with an A if you didn't get it. Okay, cool.
Welcome. That's Talita. Older. Sibling.
Wiser, cuter.
Sure. And Zukondima is my name. We are very glad to have you in the room today. And as we usually do it, let's get straight into it.
Cool. Nolutandos Kakane says, Sister Talita is telling the truth as per usual.
wait. Can we start with preamble? What was the episode talking about?
Okay, we were talking about the mother tongue.
Sure.
So this show is about you. We're talking about mother tongue. We're talking about if siblings tell each other that they're pretty.
Sure.
We're talking about, I can't remember the third thing.
Okay, cool.
But it'll come.
Fair. And I think the main topic was mother tongue.
Yeah.
Whether in mother tongue is useful or useless.
We're about
Or
to
what?
find out.
Just so you know, up front, I just want to put it out there at the beginning of the show. I think it's very important for kids to learn their mother tongue and know their
Oh,
mother tongue.
Interesting.
It helps them with development.
You know what? You learn something new every day. And just because sometimes you didn't know something doesn't mean that you can't learn it and then change your mind.
100%.
You get me?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand?
100%.
All right, let's move on. Now, Lutando says Talita is telling the truth. Learning different things activates and further develops different parts of the brain. This helps people have better memory and delay brain health decline. Therefore, lowering things like dementia.
Okay.
Dementia. The bigger the brain, the better.
100%.
You know what? This is all we need. We can actually say goodbye now because, I mean, I feel like we take a clean nyan.
We take a clean, easy to understand. Even nomdu ongayaziyo vernacular language or as English yodwa can understand this. That's how easy it is. Yeah, understand?
For sure. You know, I was thinking about if like in like 50 years, are we still going to be naming our kids Xhosa names? Okanye bazaba ngo Jacob, no Julius, no Stuart.
Banana kaluba 50 years old. Izaba ngo-Dom Perignon.
Probably.
No suitcase.
At this
Yay, Kandima.
at this rate. And I was just like, oh, it would be so sad if nobody got a Xhosa name anymore. I'd be so sad.
Yeah. No, but at the rate that it's going, I don't think
No.
is our
Izawudifikelele
simply because I
apho.
think in a lot of things that are happening, isekhona, whether it's coming back up or whatever the case may be, ikhona i-agenda ethile yoba mayiphinde inyuswe ilanguage.
Okay.
I feel.
Mm,
I feel like ikhona loo nto ikhoyo that's just in the air.
okay.
Therefore, it won't. Otherwise, abahlebanzana abantu, come on, dude.
This can't be you.
Kumakilo khona.
Thanks,
Ndijike
Noluthando.
apha mna sana lam ndikubalisele mna. Yho, ndijike apha mna.
Okay.
Kaloku xa into uyicinga ngendlela engekho right, it's very important ukwazi uthini ujika. It's very important. Le nto oqina enyaleni azayanceda mna.
100%.
More especially ungasi. Ungasi uthi I'm currently learning Swahili.
Kiswahili is what it is.
Oh,
Yes. Like isiXhosa. Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you know before Swan.
It's an I, not an E.
Okay. I am currently learning Kiswahili, the language of commerce in Zanzibar, as seen by anthropologist Poppy Sibiya in 2024.
Chisa, Poppy. Yes.
Popzin.
Yes, Poppy.
Anthropologist Kamala Popzin. Love to see it. Thank you for that, Poppy. I am finding it quite easy thanks to being an indigenous speaker of isiXhosa. It being a Bandui
Bantu.
language
Yeah.
means finding the general syntax being nearly identical. Not to mention the frequent surprise of finding words that are nearly the same to completely identical to my mother tongue. Although it will differ from country to country, in Kiswahili, ubiquity in the general region of East Africa means I will also enjoy potential business and travel in places such as Kenya, DRC, Burundi, and Mozambique. A connection that would have otherwise taken me longer time had I only known English.
That's dope.
That is very dope.
Yeah. So, I mean, when I was a little bit younger, I spoke some Portuguese, right? When I was still in high school.
Hola.
Yeah, that's right. I'm an international girly.
Hola.
And hola, tudo bem?
Bem e tu?
Bem. Oh, bem obrigada! Did I teach you that?
You taught me that more than 20 years ago.
Oh, that's crazy.
Because kaloku matriculator more than 20
Oh,
years.
I'm ultra, man.
You taught me that more than 20 years ago.
Oh, wow. I can't believe you remember. That's so dope. And so what I found about that language specifically is that there's so many words that are closely related to French and
Sure.
Italian
Uh-huh.
and obviously Spanish, which would then make it easier for me to learn those languages if I had persisted.
Yes,
If I had the
correct.
chance, which I think is what he's also saying,
Yeah.
is that having known isiXhosa, learning Kiswahili has been much easier for him than umuntu bengazusazi.
Yeah. Ndiyaqala noyifunda mna le Kiswahili.
Oh,
Shame, I
really?
don't want to lie, ndiyayifirstborn.
Now you've learned something.
Gasi ke but ke socio-economic indicators ke eziba uhamba Kenya wena no-DRC no-Burundi.
Ewe, SARS is
So
on
ke
you,
right
bro.
back at you, homie.
Thanks, Kasi, for that. Uthi uze nakhane baliso. Yo, mna into endidikayo, ndayiva ichomi ihleba ngam. Ndingayibuzi. I just pretend ngathi andivanga nix cause ndonqena ukuxoxa but once yena andibuze istory kuthiwa ndisithethile ngaye, I'll just block her. Simple. Iphele njalo ke i-friendship kubo. Zena, what's happening?
So sube uyithethile wena lento omblockayo xa ebuza yena.
That's so wild.
Okanye sube wayithetha awayithetha uyabloka. Oh, son lam. What happens if you guys like have a lunch or something for the next day? Like
Blogile, you're not coming to the lunch.
Oh, we're like lunch. Oh, man,
That's
feels
so
long. Son
wild.
lam. Well, sibana naye lo mntu lowo.
Oh, ngenye imini ungamcingelanga ubungcancazela.
Oh.
So that's another thing we're talking about. We're talking about friendship breakups.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Oof, it's such a difficult one, man, because also abantu nabo, man, if only bekunothiwa abantu like abaxoki xa uzambuza, because khona iping bang ezayiphika live.
Yeah. Live in your face.
Athi
bro.
ubani?
Oh,
Njani?
eh?
Sana kudala ndibona ke ba uThalita akakufuni, because why would she even say I said that ngelo xesha
Yaxoka.
ebebeke izandla esinqeni?
Konke bekhupha iindaba zakho.
Hayi fethu. Understand I'm Tarzan because
Tarzan.
yeah, animals don't lie.
So you understand how Tarzan lived in the
Yeah.
jungle?
Yes.
I don't think it was his choice, but okay. Thanks.
Tarzan, my baby.
Tarzan.
Q Melamane uthi ndicela nje as black people sincomaneni especially emakhaya. Hey, siyabhanqwa apha phandle. Sinconywa simimitheke kuba it's so foreign to hear. Hey, and then ikubetha ube dizzy ke ngoku loo nto leyo nconywa uba hawu cha hey we angizotsho uba ephi
Zulu man.
Unkosazana.
Kuthiwa imama
If ke kokwenu buqelile uba kuthiwa
bungazi umimitheka. Oh, sincomeni, gents. What's the problem? Because ngoku sinconywa paphandle and we're like, oh, he said I'm pretty.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Boring. Ayike wena nkosazana. Oh wow. Sounds unnatural coming out of my mouth.
Don't call
Okay
me.
ke mama.
Why do you have to turn into a Zulu guy?
Uncumo lwakho ingathi kuphakama kwelanga. I guess.
Tell your face back. You need to practice. Go practice at home. You can come back next week.
Eh?
Go practice at home. You need
Okay.
practice.
Tata wakho wayelisela.
Uyandiplita mos.
Ngoba ke waba inkwenkwezi wazifaka emehlweni akho.
Okay, Nkosi Bhuti. Next.
I cannot wait to get home xa ndive indaba ezijuicy because I need to tell my husband.
Oh, bethela ngokuhleba as well. News ngethi.
I don't know if I want to be that husband though. It sounds fun,
It is fun.
but I don't know. It's giving Gossip Girl as a husband, and that's what I'm
Nobody
uncomfortable
needs
with.
to know. It's just you and her.
Bae.
This is another thing, and you're the safest person in no gossipan naye. Because I know you're not going to take it to the street.
Fair. Because we are protectana.
Exactly.
Sign the
Because now,
pact.
exactly. Because now I'm going to like ngechomi yakhe, so let's.
Oh, I'm like the judge as Namem Naichom is a fro. What? You are being Sir, akazokwazi masuza apha endlini. Kanti xa sithi ubani uyeza ndithi nothi lo
Oh, Mpubadi.
namadoda ayi-8.
Okay, maybe you're not the right
Anyways.
person for this job.
Sure, let's go.
Umpozim3632 says, Zuko Batong. Now I hear you. I speak 10 languages. It has gotten me into many interesting rooms, but I cannot confirm it has preserved any culture, Shem. I think it is what you do with your life that preserves than what you speak. Alas, to each his own, Dicho.
Oh, Mposi. Love you so much. Yazi. And I'm sure le nto yakho ye-10 languages yile ikwenza uba ungajaji abantu. I feel thin nguwe. And you've also put your point across so beautifully. And I absolutely agree. I concur, Chomi. Love it. No, I love it. And I guess that's another side. I love how you're bringing another side to it to say that languages that I speak have also gotten me into interesting rooms.
Yeah.
Because and I suppose as people, there's also definitely a thing of into ethile xa ibalulekile kuwe doesn't necessarily mean it impacts me the same. Or ibalulekile kuwe. But you can definitely still find value in certain things.
Sure.
I love that. Beautifully put.
But opening up your world is worth it.
100%. Like for me, uyugqibile undiwinile ke ngoku apha. Do you know what I mean? So definitely something to look at and consider as well, and not only look at it from the one side, which I think I was doing most of the time.
Thank you, Paul.
Yebo. Lungster Zeren, I'm convinced that false accusations come from an evil place.
Of course.
Instead, Mgomo. The apology or retraction will never be able to undo the damage caused by the original statement. I've spent over a decade thinking a celebrity was unkind because of something I read. A retraction was published a few days later, but I never saw it. It's only when I watched a recent interview that I got clarification. Good podcasts are from God. 100 ndivumelana nawe bralungster nam I'm on the same
The
page.
damage is done when you falsely accuse someone, even if people find out, and not everybody's gonna find out about Bukoka, not everybody's gonna find out about the retraction. And so, as he says, you spend 10 years thinking about, oh, Asana, rubbish yomntu lo wa, ntotototoni.
How
Meanwhile,
could they do that? How could they say that? Yeah.
oh, guys, you cannot talk about it. It's not cute at all.
I cute, but I'm more interested in what ndone khozayo loo nto leyo.
Insecurity, bro. Insecurity
What?
about your position in that other person's life. That person that you're lying to.
Yes.
Insecurity about the position that you have in their life compared to the position that the person
other
that you're
person.
lying about has in their life.
So ke ndinyusele mna because uThalita ngumntombi, which automatically mna izandinyusela mna in your books. And le nto yethu yothanda uba ngama-victim okokoko and not take accountability for anything.
Nonsense.
Wena urongiwe oko.
Absolute
Hayi
nonsense.
guys.
Oh, makes me so upset. Amahle Mahluch says, guysini, I'm standing on business. Buya.
Uthini?
Yabuya.
Iyabuya intoni
Standing on
madlamini?
business.
Come on.
Sana, my late brother, used to tell me all the time when I'm dressed up, ngalatsotsi tali yakhe. Oh, mdaka mama. Tell you about umhle, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Yanditika gossip mna. It always leaves me feeling so heavy, especially if asimncomi lo mntu. Yo, hayi cut mdaka bawe. Kaloku ayo gossip basiyamncoma.
Are you gossip?
No.
Yeah.
Basiyamncoma, that's not gossip.
Siyamncoma.
No.
Nina uvela uThalita uba umitha kamhle.
You're not gossiping.
You are gossiping.
No, you're not.
You are gossiping.
Gossip has got negative connotations attached to it. That's all I'm gonna say. Big ups, Talita. Clear your name, CC. I'm definitely for that, 100%. Yeah, get trust. People are good at lying about pikanisi.
No. And siyashaya singabantu bra. Yes, siyashaya. One thing about us is zokushaya. But let's get back to gossip being negative.
Yeah.
Uyakwazi ugossip afuna
Gossip
ngawekrand.
girl.
Ewe.
Akho gossip uyancokola futhi.
Hi guys, can you gossip about something true?
Gossip in its nature.
Thanda
is a-
amadoda. It's true. It's not negative. Are we gossiping?
No, uthanda amadoda has a negative connotation. I want to look up what the word gossip actually means.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next one.
Okay, let's move on to the next one while you Nancy are coming from.
I got it. Okay, gossip is a noun.
That means nothing to me. So it's a doing word, sure.
No, that's a verb. Casual or unconstrained conversation or reports about other people.
Yeah.
Typically involving details that are not confirmed as being true. And that in itself is a negative. That haven't been confirmed. But it's true.
Talita. Oh.
All I'm saying is.
Dog.
Nah?
Aye. Lena joy kaloku basingathi unconfirmed pregnancy. Unconfirmed.
Why are you talking about something that's unconfirmed that you don't know is true?
Yes, that's gossip. But I'm saying kaloku the point that we are discussing is whether or not it's talking about negative things. That's the point. But uyakwazi ugossipa ngento positive.
Chum. Andiva. Guys, tell us in the comments.
Tell us in the comments, please. Yeah, we're not going to get any further into this.
No, we're not.
Usanda Ndevu Uti, I realized when my 11-year-old was in grade R that I've lost the home language battle. Uthethe naye isiXhosa aphendle English, but yasiva. Luckily, in grade 1, they could choose between Xhosa and Afrikaans as a first additional language. Joys of being in the Eastern Cape. I jumped at the opportunity. Only last week, ebendixelela ukuba ukhatywe ingawo. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
And what's the problem?
I was beaming with pride. Kukuti ndinqinelana noThalita. Don't ukhatywe ingawo. Kulamba.
I've never heard that.
Khatshwe impene mfundini. Khwaye. Sisithe ncayi emqolo.
I didn't know that. So when I read this, I was just like, he just spoke nonsense. That's awesome. I'm so happy for you, Sandra. You and your 11-year-old Sandra, you're going places. I'm
And
telling
your
you.
11-year-old khatshwe ingawo oko. Rasta short. Ima go play it phambi kwayo. Khatshwe ingawo. Standi.
Oh, that's so cute. Love it.
Yeah.
Uthi uBusi Moyi, love the outfits from Freedom of Movement. Ayishonga quality magwele.
Yayiva.
Ngibe isihlangu sapha.
Ndakunetha Jackie Chan.
Thank you so much. Currently enjoying them thoroughly.
How are the shoes?
Oh, lovely.
Ne?
Oh.
No.
Oh, what a thing. Hi, Sama. Okay.
Thambise ke please.
Oh.
Mo Cubes uthi, oh, I once heard my little boy cousin say to his friend, "You don't know my sister, the pretty one, Andiva." Yo, I've never been so excited.
Because he was also not saying it so that you hear it. But yeah, you happened to. Kumandi for ngabantu abaziyo,
Ungeva.
Yes, family members.
Like when they're not buying face.
Yes, it's so nice. So nice.
Ne? Wah. Wah. Wah.
Wani utalita mama.
Wah. Akamhle. Ngayithanda lo kajo yanyibliyo.
I'm like, is this a future conversation? Q Melamane says, a problem noxolo is that peace is that when you forgive someone, you somehow feel like they've repented. Pinda wotuke, like it's not like them to hurt you like they just did. Kofi track record.
Oh no, andicapukeli track record.
I think aske sifunde uxola.
Oh!
Being very much aware that they did not apologize, but you are choosing to let go of
Q.
the hurt.
Oh, Q. I forgive you for uhleba nomyeni wakho. Hlikihlile le comment. Yo. Yes. That one.
Yeah.
I absolutely agree. Yo. Xa ephinda uthi, I think aske sifunde uxola is wild.
Yeah, but also siyekana usiqhela kakubi.
Sure, fair, but in the absence of uyekwa uqhelwa kakubi,
Yeah.
what do you have?
No, you have to chill. You have to choose peace for yourself, literally. And once you've done that, no matter what happens after that, you're fine. Yeah. Once you've chosen bandi zoxola, whether laa mntu uzofika azothetha something okanye never comes to say anything, you're fine. Because you've chosen your peace. Your peace has not depended on somebody else.
Hayi nyani funeka sisifundise ucula laa ngoma. Nyani.
Hey, Pichon.
Le ithi xola moya wami. Xola. Yes. Awuzazi ngoma.
Ewe ndiyayazi izikondima.
Okay. How Miami. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my 2 cents on this one.
Thanks, Q.
We'll go to the next one.
Yeah, we've read this one.
Yeah.
Come on, Dave.
Pull up your pants. We need an ambulance. Magamia 6611. I hear what Talita is saying, but that's not the case with me. My entire family is from Joburg. I was born in Joburg. My mom was born in Joburg, and even my grandparents were born in Joburg.
That's so wild.
Whoa, Dimo wrong, because I'm the first person to always say, we don't have lollies. My dad is from KZN in the lollies. But if you hear him speak English, you'd never guess he's a boy from, he's a man from the villages of Escort. In the same breath, if you hear him speak isiZulu, you wouldn't think he has lollies either. For my siblings and me, we actually know and are fluent in our home languages. We just choose to speak in English most of the time. part of that is because I went to boarding school with people from all over the country. Fair.
Yeah, fair. But okusalayo, you know your home language.
100%.
Yeah.
And I think it's situations zethu sonke azifani. And but yeah, here you are also knowing your home language, which is really cool. And I think also kind of to Talita's point, it's nice because you have the choice.
Exactly.
You have the choice.
You
You've
have
been
the
afforded
choice.
the choice.
Yes. And I think that's the cool part.
Yeah, you can choose whatever you want to choose, but the choice obunayo at the end of the day. So shout out to Oleti Netimer as well for
enforcing
giving
that.
you
the choice.
that option.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thanks, Makamia.
Mm.
Uthi usiphe Portia. Uthiwa eBhayibheleni. Uthiwa eBhayibheleni uzunge.
I was the
You know, if you hadn't laughed, I would have just kept it moving. Okay. Uthiwa eBhayibheleni uzungebi, uzungakrexezi, uzungangqini indaba zobuxoki. Indaba zobuxoki. That's negative.
Yeah.
Andazi yeyiphi ivesi.
Ummelwane wakho. Ewe. Unganqini ungqina bobuxoki ngokhelisi. Very much. Ayacho Chomi.
Makels.
Yeah. Ayacho.
Okay, because we were asking what does the Bible say about gossip?
Yes.
So ungangqini indaba zobuxoki.
Fair. And ke bobuxoki if it's an unconfirmed something information. Bobuxoki.
Negative.
But yeah, if then becomes confirmed, then say bobuxoki.
Because it's the truth.
As the example, but we are here now.
Thanks for that. If niyazi ivesi nisixelele gents.
That's okay. Mbalzi uti, I have two brothers, and the youngest. And
I'm the youngest.
Oh, okay. And I'm the youngest. They look at me weird. Vasile Kaba. Their way of Ngoma.
So stingy, bro. Why so stingy? No, man.
Yeah, no, clean. I read a couple of those. I just don't remember them.
Yeah.
But indlela amachita Ngoma ngazi sister.
Yes.
Awuqinisile lightly. I like that.
Rilebohile Nchinga says, my older brother compliments me all the time. After doing my hair, he's my favorite person to go
cute.
to. Mhlemtasekhaya. Yeah,
Oh, cute.
it's coming along right at this point. Mhlemtasekhaya. Say what you mean and mean what you say.
Struggling with this one.
Why?
Why after doing your hair?
Oh my gosh. You are beautiful. Child of the same household as me.
So imagine, okay, sayivuma umhlemda kokwabo ne. Is it different Clan City? Yo bakwenze kahle yazi mnasekhaya. Andincomanga. Ndincome inwele.
Wewe uncome inwele nomuntu ondenzileyo awuncomanga mna.
You got nothing to do with it.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
Okay. Sabu, sibule nezandla zithe zakwenza. Okay, sure. 100%. I get that.
Is it you?
Yeah. Ziqelekazi 23 uti, on the education aspect, ukuba, how does it help kids to perform better? I'll speak on my experience. I've been to schools with Watts and all that jazz, and while ndandi pasa, I just couldn't get the desired results. So ndachincha to a government school with black students and predominantly black teachers. And what I realized was that even though they taught in English, they incorporated isiXhosa 80% of the time, especially with the subjects such as science, or mathematics, and kids understood everything with their own language.
It's what we were literally talking about.
Oh, I'm just like, oh, what's happening? Difunda rongo. Okay, sorry. 80% of the time, and especially with subjects such as science or mathematics, and kids understood everything with their own language. And then they would try to translate what was said in English. Ke ngoku, as a result, sasipasa kakuhle kakhulu kanjalo. Yay! Chaza banifundise i-punctuation. Tommy! Yummy!
La Pasa is threatening my life.
So yes, your home language does play a vital role in education as well. Beautifully put. I love the fact that it's not only beautifully put, but it's backed by experience and backed by research. Elapha kuwe esiqwini. Oh, that's
100%.
the most powerful form of research also. I love to hear that.
We
Thank
were
you for sharing.
literally talking about that in episode 91.
Yes.
And how they did a test of how, you know, abantwana bazopasa njani if they get taught in their own languages. And it makes so much sense because we even read something that, what was it? A linear line, a linear
Symmetry.
Yeah. And the way it's said in Xhosa, it makes so much sense. So are we in Nkai, you're actually saying what it means. Yeah, understand.
Yes.
And that's so important, man. I was saying I would have passed maths if that I would have learned it in Xhosa. Because Xhosa is also very descriptive.
Correct.
Yeah. And a lot of the times English isn't, which is why we always say, you can't tolika, it's Xhosa's tolikwa.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. You can take a horse to water.
But you can't drink the water with a horse.
Can't drink the horse. Ungayibetha, bethe horse. But if you go to the water by bicycle, then you bet a horse. Not you bet a horse. What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? What? Guys, there's no way. There's no way. Then they're gonna say, oh, but he's related to you. Oh! God, that was intense.
Ziqelekazi, enkosi kakhulu, we really appreciate that.
Pila Sande Malevu says, I tell my sisters so that they don't hear for the first time so they don't hear for the first time from Amapara and then date them net for more compliments.
Absolutely. No, absolutely. Bakhona nyana abantu umcela uba umhle umbone ba uyothuka.
Yeah.
Ubamba jini? Oh, likhasi mosele nomane ndiliphosa.
Exactly. Yeah, 100%. Zaxani moshile manje sithi umuhle and then amimitheke.
But also now bakhona ke, let's talk about the others.
Yeah.
Abo baxelelwe gqithi.
Basiqhela kakhulu.
You understand?
Yes.
Bazitshelayo. Where it doesn't touch sides.
When they hear it.
Correct.
Yeah.
But also I guess
Seems
maybe
like
it's got something to do with also maybe sometimes the genuineness of the comment, but also people are people.
Yeah.
So sometimes they can let it get to their heads. And yeah, that just becomes unfortunate, I suppose.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, right Pila Parat inside the booty.
Pila Sunday.
Yeah. Lol no for. Lol nol for. When I had my child amongst peers who were raising their kids in Gesingesi, I felt strongly to teach them Zulu first and then English once they go to school. Mind you, I'm from Soweto and Bui is Lalin. For me, it was an identity thing. Also to debunk the thinking that African is less than. We are constantly becoming other to fit in. Straighten our hair, bleach our skin, etc. I always say, with less kids speaking African languages, my kids will translate and then it will be a niche. Also, English is so limiting. African languages are so descriptive, so colorful.
Hundreds.
Absolutely. And I think it's something that we've touched on in this episode. I think just a
Yes.
few
Yeah,
comments
just
back.
now.
If
Yeah.
Uba descriptive 10/10.
Imagine just what you think when, like, what visual you get in your head when someone says indoda mayime ngenqayi. Just that visual by itself, you like, oh, okay,
Yeah.
hard times over there.
Absolutely.
And how are you gonna say that in English?
You can't. Angazi uthi ngithini lesi siduphunga lesi. Uyayiva? Uyamona ubona nje into duphungayo. Uyayiva? Oh, very descriptive and colorful. I
Yes.
absolutely agree.
100%.
Ndiyavumelana nayo loo nto leyo. 10/10 minus nothing ke loli.
Right, Nangamso Ningi says, if you don't see the value in speaking isiXhosa, then why bother participating in the culture at all? Why go through initiation to become a man? It feels a bit silly to pick and choose which parts of culture you want to participate in.
Oh, yasauta Nangamso, yasauta.
Also, feels wildly disrespectful in a way to try and replace isiXhosa with English during a Xhosa ceremony. That is the most wild thing I've ever heard. It is literally called isiXhosa. So I don't know. Not sure. I am all for innovation and integration of the new and the old, but some things just don't make sense. If we wipe out our mother tongue, then colonialism certainly did its job. Ooh. The white man sees value in his language and culture, but has somehow convinced everyone else that their culture and language don't matter. Absolutely wild. Yavakala kum Nangamso.
Yavakala nakumncane ithanda itone yana.
Tone of voice.
Look, I mean, at the end of the day, and I think, hey, guys, ngicela speaker up, man. I feel like I was misunderstood in this conversation.
Okay.
I was asked what my thoughts are. Khange nidisclose masifakwe emgqomeni. Khange nid, and some of the points that I made were to exactly this point. Ayenzayo Nangamso. But at the end of the day, why go through initiation? And I spoke about the value of language in terms of fitting in also.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
You understand? And certain things. Yeah, but by no means am I dustbinning isiXhosa as a language or any other
Language.
vernacular or indigenous language. And it dustbin it, I was just giving my thoughts. And it wrong sufundisa umntana isiXhosa, mfundisa umntana isiXhosa by all means. It was never from a point of sirongo.
Sure.
It was just my point of saying, okay, this is what I see. So, but ivakele so.
Thanks, Nangamso.
Ivile mnasekhaya. Uandisile Ndlebe uthi oh sana amadoda alapha kweyami lokishi.
Sasixelela uba hey singayi. Sixelela ngalo lokishi singayi chomi.
Akuhleba ube nomvandedwa. Usiza sana amehlo wabo akusinde. Oh bayahleba ababhuti kula renga. Utsho eyihleka andisile. Ibingase ndibabhalele phansi wonke umlesha okhoyo elizweni sana kuba leyo bakuhletywe thina kuba asikazoyeka uphila elihlobo silithandayo. Oh bayandifratsa. Yho sana uthwele umnqamlezo. Sisi.
Got a dombolo on your back.
Yo, much than now. Kodwa kuloko lokishi enza kakhulu. Kodwa kusinde ngamehlo.
Also yazela baba yahleba. Hayi but akhona amehla ahlebayo ngoba
we. Umuntu athethele phansi. Ngoke kujonge ebusweni athethele phansi ba. Yonyoko.
Kodwa kujongile.
Yo, umuntu bona abanika ipuppet man abe yinansika into lana. Ventriloquist. Abaye bazi ventriloquist.
That's so funny. Just as a follow-up, please let us know.
Just for interest sake. Asishba kuzawuthini. Sifuna shout out hello madoda. Okay, sifuna yakhoxa sifuna uleva.
That's so funny. Thanks so much, Adisile. That's so uncomfortable. Now, woyikuwehla ranking because
but ke nangu yatsho naye uba asizongaphili olu hlobo siphila ngalo.
ngenxa yenu because
Absolutely.
nani nina mabibi enu.
That's all.
I'm exhausted.
No, guys, thank you so much. That was incredible. So next episode yetu, we'll be doing the same thing, of course. So it's over to you, guys, and we will just continue like that.
100%.
Anzivanga banzanothini.
Over to you, guys, and we'll just continue like that. That's what you said.
Cool.
Continue with reading the dondons.
Yeah.
Complaining, guys, until the episode being featured. There were 21 comments and we read all of them. Okay?
Really?
Yes.
Hayibo. Kutheni?
10.
Serious is about week.
Sure. Mika, we're just trying to get everything in.
Oh, okay.
Nabantu abasebenza apha kwesi studio bagoduke yabona nje njalo
Okay.
and so on and
Akulungile.
so forth. Don't stop with your comments, guys. We love reading them, as you can see. And so please nani next week on
My
Zola
love.
7.
So hlangana emarengeni, you know what it is.
Sihlebane.
Over and out.
Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Bling Line.